Jai Hind students. So in this module we are going to learn the socio-economic status of the people living in village Palampur. So you already know that production is the key function for economic development. But production is not one way. It can be it can be divided into two parts, such as one is agriculture production, second is industrial production. So we will learn through this module about the agricultural production being taken up by the people of village Palampur. So village Palampur is a imaginary or hypothetical village where farming is the main activity. Okay. So besides farming, they also carry out different small-scale manufacturing, dairy, and transportation services. And it is based on limited scale. It means local level. They are trading or they are doing these kind of activities, or means purchase and sell at local level. They are not going far off places, and their production is limited also, and they are using that purchasing those material to sell in the local market. Even they also need natural resources, man-made items, human efforts, as well as money. Production activity actually requires natural resources. It can be land, water, man-made items, tools, or even you can say any raw material which you produced, human effort like labor, and money like cash in order to carry out the activities. Okay. They combine those resources to make a desired or a product which satisfy their want. So how this Palampur village, why we are talking about Palampur village only? Because this chapter represents the villages of our country. Each and every village you see has some its own facilities and has some its features. So we will see how a village can be look-alike and what kind of people are residing there, what kind of facilities they are using there, how they are doing farming. So here Palampur village is one village. It can be in any state of the India. Okay, because we are taking imaginary. So here we are not saying that it is located at in this state. We are taking this Palampur village which can be situated in any state of the India. Okay. So if I talk about the Palampur is connected with Raiganj. It is a big village which is 3 kilometers far from Palampur. And further, when you are going further, and which is further connectivity, you find a small town Shahpur. Means Palampur, then Raiganj, then Shahpur. So Palampur and Raiganj are the villages, but Shahpur is a small town, you must know. It is well connected with the road. And these three localities or areas or residence places are connected with roads. Okay. So what kind of things they are using to commute from one place to another, such as they are using bullock carts, tongas, bogies, even to carry out the produce or carry out the products from one place to another place, or even to travel from one place to another place. Okay. They are saying that jaggery and other commodities to motor vehicles. What they are saying is, they are saying even traditional modes are being used by these people, but also modern transport vehicles are used by these Palampur village people, as it is well connected with the small town Shahpur. Okay, they are saying that they are loaded with jaggery. Jaggery means good, other commodities. It can be small baskets or produce which you got from the farm. To motor vehicles, जैसे कि motorcycles, jeeps, tractors and trucks we can see. So we can see these kind of modern vehicles running over the roads also. Okay. How many families are there? 450 families are there which belongs to different caste. It means upper caste and lower caste. So 80 upper caste families have the majority of land. They own the majority of land. Okay. Means the larger amount of land is occupied by these upper caste families. Okay. Their houses are made up of brick and cement plastering, in which we live. The cement plastered houses are being built by the upper caste family, but these SCs and Dalits, they constitute the lower caste, okay, which live in one corner of the village, and they comprise 1/3 of the population. Okay, they are smaller houses. They live in smaller houses which are made up of mud and straw. Okay, they are made up of mud and straw. You can see the village in the picture. They are also using bullock cart, as well as they are also using this tractor to carry out the produce from one place to another, or for moving the objects as well as people. You can see the straw and mud house. Okay. So here you can see how this village Palampur is seen with the road. They also have electrical connections at homes, and this electricity also being used to run the tube wells in the fields and for other types of small business. Okay, Palampur has 2 primary schools and 1 high school. It means it is not like that of other villages where small children or kids have to walk for several kilometers to reach the school. Palampur is lucky enough, they have 2 primary schools and 1 high school. They also have a primary health center which is run by government. It means government hospital is there. Even 1 private dispensary is also there to treat the sick people. Okay. So in villages across India, farming is the main production activity. Yes, it is a main production activity. Majority of people linked with this kind of activity. So apart from the production activity of that is farming, they also do small manufacturing, shopkeeping, transportation service providers to earn the livelihood. Okay. So in this module we have learned about farming is the main activity of that village. It also do small scale manufacturing such as dairy, it can be animal husbandry, it can be basket making, any kind of good making. Even transportation services are also being provided by these people, and shopkeeping also done, such as vegetable selling, or it can be any small shop can be there, such as grocery shop. So if I say in order to produce, a person may need natural resources, even man-made items, human efforts and money. Okay. Palampur village is well connected with neighboring villages and towns. So one big village is Raiganj, which is further connected to small town that is Shahpur. They are bullock carts, tongas, bogies to carry the jaggery and other commodities, such as well as motor vehicles such as motorcycles, jeeps, tractors and trucks to move from one place to another. There are 450 families of different caste. 80 upper caste families are on the majority of land, and they are used to live in the cement plaster brick with cement plastering houses. And even lower caste people comprises or constitutes 1/3 of population of the village, and they live in the one corner of the village, and they live in small houses which is made up of mud and straw. Okay. They also have electric connections at home as well, and tube wells are run on these electrical powers. This Palampur village has 2 primary schools and 1 high school, and it has a primary health center also, and 1 private dispensary also, where 6 are being treated. Okay. So farming is the main activity, you already know. So I hope you will go through these notes. I want that you should make these notes in your notebook from the very beginning. Means when you start the chapter, you have to write the highlighted notes. You can use your language, do not go for rigidity. You can use your language and make your own sentences to explain these points which is highlighted in this um, video. So if you have book, you can also highlight the way I highlighted here on the page, so that you can understand what we are going to do. So in this, where we have learned about how Palampur village looks like. So it is the infrastructure of village Palampur. If you got a question about infrastructure of village Palampur, you have to write all these points which is given under the introduction part till here. Okay, as well as all these points should also be included, so that you can explain how village Palampur looks. So thank you so much. I will meet you soon. I will come back to you soon in the next video. Till the time, keep yourself safe. Do not go outside. Keep eat healthy food, and help your parents at home, and make notes regularly.